Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Like, share, subscribe to support us. Must have equipment. For today, I'm going to draw a palette. Before doing anything, let's sketch first. After that, let's do foundation step. This step can help you get the right shade of color that you want. I start to use the right shade of green and yellow first because the natural color of the palette is these two colors. For her cheeks and neck, I'm using orange beige. And then I use the dark shade of orange to dull my zone just a little bit. As you can see, the first time that I applied the orange beige on that, it's not dry yet. And I just add more orange, so this makes orange feather. Use orange flakes as feathers around her neck. Do the same thing but lighter on her cheeks. The same. Then I use a dark green to paint around her wings. Now I'm using the yellow green to paint around her belly amongst the wings. Do the same thing for her tail, but dark green. And use the dark green to sharpen the body. Now continue to the target area. Use the white color to dab the top part because this is the part where the light falls on. Mark the white dot where the eye is set up. I'm using brown to draw a tree branch. Use white on top of it. And don't forget to use dark at the bottom to make a shadow. Use black to mark his black eye. Use darker green to make her clearer. Don't rush, take it easy. Use black to create the shadow below. This is gonna make his beak distinctive. I'm using dark gray to create the total look of her feet. Tap a bit of orange on her beak. Then, I applied orange brown on the feathers around her face and body. Now I'm using mint green to highlight the feathers one by one randomly. Now I'm using the light shade of green as the highlight. Applied it on where to look bright. Use mint to more beautiful. I'm using gray for her joints. And sharpen the shape with the black line. Before lacquering, let's go on details. Now she's dried, apply lacquer. Finish. If you have any comment, please feel free to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye!